Ever wondered how developers and system admins securely control remote computers? Meet SSH, your gateway to secure remote access. But what exactly is it and why should you care? Let's break it down. SSH, or Secure Shell, is a network protocol that allows you to securely access and manage remote computers over an encrypted connection. Think of it as a secure tunnel between your computer and a remote machine, keeping your data safe from prying eyes. SSH works by using cryptographic techniques to ensure security. When you connect to a remote server using SSH, your computer and the server exchange encrypted keys to establish a secure session. This prevents hackers from intercepting sensitive information. SSH is commonly used for various tasks, including remote login, running commands on remote servers, transferring files securely using SCP or SFTP, and even creating encrypted tunnels for enhanced privacy. Using SSH is simple. On a Linux or Mac system, open the terminal and type SSH username at server IP. On Windows, you can use tools like PuTTY or the built-in SSH client in PowerShell. After entering your credentials, you gain secure access to the remote system. SSH supports two authentication methods, passwords and SSH keys. While passwords can be guessed or brute-forced, SSH keys use cryptographic pairs that provide stronger security. Many organizations prefer SSH keys to enhance security. And there you have it. SSH is an essential tool for secure remote access, widely used in the tech world. Whether you're a developer, system admin, or just curious about secure connections, understanding SSH is a must. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and let us know in the comments, how do you use SSH in your workflow? Stay secure, and see you in the next video. Bye.